Good morning, everyone. Scott Betti here at Firkins. Just took in a really nice trade. 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie. It's got the two-tone paint, silver on the bottom, 5.7 Hemi, chrome 20s, chrome bug shield, and the rain guards on the windows. Laramie, obviously, with the leather, 8.4-inch GPS, 22,328 miles on it. It is a crew cab. No one ever sat in the back of this, folks. No one. You put the tonneau cover on it. It is a 4x4. Does have the tow package. Bought here, traded here. Call me for more information, folks, on this truck. It is a beauty. 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie crew cab. Call me for prices, folks. Scott Betti at Firkins, 748-6510.